Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you several ways that you can get training through Builderall. The first way is from your Builderall dashboard. If you go to the home page of your Builderall dashboard, you'll see that you've got a quick training button in the middle right hand side. If you click that quick training, you'll see a window pop up and it says start now. Go ahead and click that and it asks you what you want to do. You can choose to learn how to build a website, create an opt-in page, build a sales funnel, create an email campaign, work with checkouts, or browse all of the tools that Builderall has to offer. I suggest for brand new people that you start with building a website. And from there, you can choose to build a website from scratch, and that's in the Pixel Perfect, or you can build a website from scratch in the responsive, or you can go to a quick start training, or you can go to an in-depth training. I suggest again that you start with the build a website from scratch in minutes, the very first one, because that's the Pixel Perfect builder, which is the easiest one to start with in Builderall. Now, if you want to go back to the beginning, just click the home button. That'll take you to the menu again, and you can choose another place to start. Another great place to get started is the very bottom where it says browse all of the amazing tools Builderall has to offer. When you click that button, it's going to take you to one video with all the tools or a tool by tool tour. I love the tool by tool tour. It includes 15 videos, but they're all wonderful videos to watch for anyone that's new to the Builderall system. That is the quick training that is available on your dashboard on the home page. It's the blue button on the right hand side towards the middle of the page. The next area I want to show you is the tutorial videos. That's on the left hand side on the long menu. So if I click tutorial videos, it pulls up a list of many videos. And you've got a lot of choices. You can start learning with the drag and drop responsive builder, the drag and drop pixel perfect builder, mobile first builder, the responsive blog builder, and many more. So if you want to get started in one specific area, you can click that area and it will pull up the videos that apply to that area. Or you can do a search, and in the search area you can choose what you want to search for. And if you type in email and hit the search button, you'll see that it pulls up everything that applies to working with email in the Builderall system. So you can use specific keywords to search by, or you can click a specific area and it will pull up all the videos that apply to that area. So that's the second way to access training in Builderall. The next way is to go to the Builderall YouTube channel. Here I am in the Builderall YouTube channel, and as you can see, there's several videos that are available. You could choose to either browse all of the videos that are available, and there's a lot of them, or you can also choose to go to playlists. And playlists are used to put collections of videos together in a sequence so you can learn how to do specific things in Builderall through that collection of videos. For example, if you want to see all of the newly released features of Builderall, just choose that playlist and you'll see all of the new features that have been released on the Builderall platform. Another good example is how to build a free membership site in the responsive builder. When you click that playlist, it has a complete list of videos that takes you step by step through building a free membership site. So that's the third way to get training in Builderall. And that's through the Builderall USA YouTube channel. There's one more place you can get help learning how to use Builderall, and that is through tutorial videos on demand through the support system. So to get there, all you need to do is click support, and when you get to the support screen, scroll down and choose other problems at the bottom, and this takes you to the ticket area. When you fill out your ticket, when you choose the category, you're going to choose tutorial videos on demand. You're going to put in the subject, and you're going to put in your specific message on what video you're needing. When you're done with that, you just click send, and they'll create a tutorial video specifically for you. So let's review the 4 ways that you can get help with Builderall. The first way is going to the quick training. The second way is going to the tutorial videos. The third way is going to the YouTube channel, which is Builderall USA. And the fourth way is going through the support system and creating a ticket requesting a tutorial video on demand. So those are the ways you can get help learning how to use the Builderall platform.